Morning. Let's begin this video from these long question answers. Um, Section C. Question number 1, required to calculate the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. In second question asks about the how to calculate the break-even analysis from a unit in areas by using different kinds of formulas. Before this video, I already provide this long question answer section as well as part B and MCQ section is already uploaded onto this channel. Now this video for only final section of uh, next set. You can solve the problems from showing this video. Let's begin this video for calculation of income statement. Now I'm writing here about the income statements. Let's begin this section. Okay, calculation of firstly required question income statement. Calculation of income statement. Okay, particulars amount. Okay, income statement is started from our sales revenue. You can find out from this question. The sales revenue is over here. Sales revenue, right down here. Sales revenue. The title is sales of meals. Sales of meals. Sales of F&B, sales of F and B. Now the price is 2,50,000 and next one we have 4 lakh. You can summation this information and write down onto the total section. This one is add and settle over here. 6,50,000 less cost of sales. Cost of sales, how to calculate it? Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Here is opening stock is not here, therefore 0, plus purchase is purchase of food materials and only purchase of food materials 4,25,000 minus closing is over here 60,000 is over here. You can write into cost of sales. Okay, 2 lakh. How much this shown? $425 minus 60, 3,65,000. 3,65,000 and less this information from 6,50,000 and the value is come over here. Gross profit margin profit margin 650 minus 365. Gross profit is 2,85,000 less operating expenses. Operating expenses, how to calculate it? Operating expenses involved, we have let's check. Salaries, we have the amount is 30,000. Add outstanding salary. OS means outstanding salary. We have the amount is 12,000. Then you can totaling this value into over here 42,000. And next one we have office expenses. Office expenses 20,000. Next one, wages 60,000 less prepaid wages 15,000. The value is over here 45,000. Move on. Next, information discount allowed. When the discount amount debit side, it's required to called a discount allowed, and the amount is credit side, you can write onto the discount receipt. Okay, discount receipt is adding onto the gross profit, and discount allowed is always less from your gross profit. Okay, discount is 15,000. And next one we have electricity charges. Electricity charges is 16,000. Now, income before fixed charges. Income before fixed charges. Okay. All income information add over here, and write down this over here. Firstly, you need to add the given information. 42,000 plus 20,000 plus 45 plus 15 plus 16. That's all, no more. Okay, the answer is 1,38,000. 1,38,000. Salaries, office expenses, wages. Okay, discount, interest we'll set on to the fixed charges, electricity charges. 1,38,000. 1,38,000 less from this gross profit, and you can find out the income before fixed charge. Income fixed charges 285 1,47,000 less fixed charges. Fixed charge. Fixed charges involve interest, interest is 12,000. Depreciation on plant and equipment, machinery and equipment. How much? Machinery and equipment amount is 4 lakh. 4 lakh 10,000 is 40,000. We can calculate over here 40,000 into 10 divided by 4 lakh into 10 divided by 100 is equal to 40,000. And next one, furniture 15%. 15%. This one is 10%. 15% of 1,87,000 lab furniture. You can working note over here 1,87,000 into 15 divided by 100. 28,050 and that's all. Other activities is not here, I think. Therefore all the activities is settled over here. 12, 40, 28. The total amount is 80050, 80,050. The summation value of these three amounts. Okay, and you can find the actual net profit. Net profit 147,000 minus 80050, 66950, 66950. Income statement is completed. Now we are going to calculate the balance sheet. Balance sheet I'm calculate over here. Calculation of balance sheet. Calculation of balance sheet. Okay. Liabilities and capital amount, assets amount. Okay. Firstly, share capital. You can write share capital. There involves only the title of the share capital 50,000. Equity capital, share capital, share capital is the amount is 5 lakh. And next one we have net profit, which is calculated onto income statement over here. This amount transfer onto the balance sheet. Okay. 66950, 66950, 66950. And move on. Long-term liabilities, long-term liabilities involve, we have 8% debenture. 8% is, you can write full amount of debenture 1,50,000. And next one, okay, that's all. Long-term current liabilities, involve creditors. The amount of the creditors is 1,10,000. 1,10,000. And next one we have outstanding salary. We have outstanding salary 12,000. Okay. And now I'm gonna go towards the asset side. Fixed assets, fixed assets, over here. Machinery and equipments, how much? 4 lakh less depreciation 40,000. The amount is 3,60,000. And lab furniture, the amount is 1,87,000 less depreciation 28,050, 15% of 1,87,000. And write down this amount. Minus 28,050, 1,58,950. Current assets, involve debtors, we have 1,50,000. And next one we have cash at bank. Cash at bank 95,000. And next one we have closing stock, CS. Closing stock we have 60,000. And next one prepaid, wages. Is 15,000. Okay, you can settle all the amount and equal onto balance sheet. Okay, total capital and liabilities, total assets. You can adding a given information. Okay. Okay. The both side is equal 83,000 sorry 8,38,950. Okay, this section is completed. Now I want to go to write the cash flow statement from this given information. Okay, calculation of cash flow statement. Calculation of cash flow statement. Now particulars detail amount and total amount. Okay, you can draw the line. Cash flow statement complete by a three section: cash flow from operating activities, cash flow from investing activities, cash flow from financing activities. Firstly, we require to calculate the operating activities. Cash flow from operating activities. Now you assume all the given information is net changes value and all the given data is increasing trend. Therefore, the rule of cash inflow and outflow is assets minus uh, increasing format, and decreasing format we require to write plus assets liabilities plus expenses minus capital and revenue. This one also plus. Okay, revenue and capital is always plus. Firstly, settle of all accounting data under the cash flow statement. A, cash collection from consumer, sales revenue, sales of meals, we can collect the cash, sales of F&B, sales of F&B, discount allowed, increase in debtors, and write all value over here. 2,50,000, 4 lakh, and next one we have discount allowed is 15,000, and next one we have increase in debtors 1,50,000. Always it should be record on minus, discount also expenses also minus. Okay, to 165 4,85,000. The combined value over here, adding these two variables and less two variables, and write down over here the cash collection from consumer total is 4,85,000 in positive form. And move on. Cash paid to suppliers. B, cash paid to suppliers. Cash paid to suppliers. Firstly, you require to write cost of sales Cost of sales is those amount which is available for sale into our food service operation but not at sale. This amount is called cost of sales. This is already calculated uh, on income statement. You can see over here. Where is it? This one is cost of sales is 3,65,000. Okay. 3,65,000. Paid to suppliers. Payments means cash, always cash outflows. Therefore, you can write uh, negative value. And next one, closing stock. Increase in closing stock. Closing stock 60,000. You third, how to increase this value? I already told you that about this information is net sales, and you assume all given data is increasing format. Therefore, am right or closing stock is increasing. Okay, and we have creditors. Where is creditors? Creditors is over here. Creditors is 1,10,000. Increase in creditors. Creditors 1,10,000. If you have any discount receipt, you can write onto this given section. Okay, write the given value over here. 365 plus 60 minus 110. 3,15,000. 3,15,000. This value is negative format. Okay, move on. C. Cash paid to employee and other expenses. Cash paid to employee and other expenses involve salaries. You can ignore this given informations. If you write onto this given information, you require to calculate it already onto our income statement format. Therefore, you can ignore this. Depreciation is non-cash item, and outstanding salary and prepaid wages. We can adjusting value is similar with unadjusting value. Therefore, you can ignore this outstanding, prepaid wages, and depreciation. Okay. Salary. The amount is salary 30,000. 30,000. And next one we have salary, office expenses. Office expenses 20,000. And next one wages. Wages 60,000. And next one electricity. Electricity charges. Electricity charges, the amount is the amount is 16,000. This all information is cash outflow. Okay, write down over here 30, 20, 60, 16. The combined value of paid to suppliers, cash paid to suppliers is 1,26,000. This value also negative. And move on. Cash paid to interest, tax, and other expenses. Interest, tax, and other expenses. Only we have interest 12,000. Paid amount is always minus, therefore you can write over here net change in cash and cash equivalent. Capital A, net cash flow from operating activities, ACTIVITS. One you can write over here. First given value is positive, second is negative, third one is negative, therefore you can write A minus B minus C minus D. Okay, 365 minus 315, 315 minus 126 minus 12. Okay, this value is wrongly represented over here. Maybe 4,85,000, 3 lakh. Oh, this is the wrongly represented over here. Maybe, I think. Okay, this one is plus and minus required to information is wrong. 3 lakh 65 minus 60 minus 110, 3,15,000. That is the correct information. Wait, it's wrongly represent. 650 minus 1 lakh 1 lakh the data is 32,000 on positive format. Okay, now cash flow from investing activities. Cash flow from investing activities. Investing activities involve only fixed assets. Purchase of machinery and equipments, purchase of machinery and equipment, machinery and equipment amount is 4 lakh. This is the cash outflow minus, and purchase of lab furniture, when the fixed assets increases we denote it to the purchase. Okay, 1,87,000. This is also cash outflow. Okay, that's all. Net cash flow from B, net cash flow from investing activities. Investing activities is total 5,87,000. Okay, this is the negative value. And move on next section, financing activities. Okay, cash flow from financing activities. Cash flow from financing activities only share capital and long-term liabilities. Increasing of share capital denoted by the issued of share capital. The amount is 5 lakh. Always inflow, therefore we can write positive value, And next one we have share capital, 8% debenture issued of 8% debenture. 8% debenture, the amount is 1,50,000. Okay, and okay, that's all. Net cash flow from financing activities. Net cash flow from net cash flow from financing activities. You can write over here A minus B plus C. Okay. This one the value is 6,50,000. Net change in cash and cash equivalent. Summation of these two amount is over here. Okay, and net change in cash and cash equivalent. This is the final answer of the cash flow, because here is not opening cash balance. Therefore first amount is plus, therefore I am right here A is positive, B is negative value, therefore I am right here negative value, and C is positive value, therefore I am right positive, plus of the C. Okay, 32 plus 650 minus 587. The amount is 95,000. You can correction these answers over here. Cassette bank is over here is 95,000. This is the answer of the cash flow statement. Okay, the section is completing. Move on. Next section. Now these sections I will cover over here. Question number 2. This is also long question. This required the break-even points. Now Q and 2. SPPU is 20. SPPU is equal to 20. BCPU is equal to 12, and fixed cost FC equal we have 50,000, and net profit does not require. First requirement is cash BEP in units and BEP in RS. The formula of BEP in units, BEP in units is equal to fixed cost divided by CMPU. Now CMPU is equal to SPPU minus BCPU is equal to 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. Write down over here, fixed cost is 50,000 divided by 8 is equal to 6,250 units. And RS, BEP in RS is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio is equal to FC is 50,000 divided by PV ratio. Calculate over here. Now PV ratio, PVR is equal to CMPU divided by SPPU. CMPU is 8 divided by 20 is equal to 0.40. The amount is 0.40. Write down over here, and total amount is 1,25,000. Okay, 1,25,000 is required to write RS. Okay, and next one we have B. Required B. Required is A is completed, and move on required B. B. Sales unit to earn a 60,000 desired profit and tax rate is 40%. Therefore, required sales unit is equal to FC plus DP, means desired profit, divided by 1 minus T whole divided by CMPU. Okay, set the all amount into this formula. Now 50,000 is fixed cost plus desired profit 60,000, and 1 minus tax means 1 minus 0.4. How much? 40% is tax. 40% is whole divided by 8. Okay, now you can finalize your answer. 50,000 plus 60,000 divided by 0.6, 1 lakh divided by 8 is equal to plus 50,000 divided by 8. The amount is 18,750 units. Okay, required B also complete. Required C. Safety margin ratio. Safety margin ratio means SFM, safety margin ratio, is equal to actual sales minus B sales divided by actual sales. Okay, actual sales is over here how much? 2 lakh minus BEP sales. We have BEP sales in RS over here 1,25,000. 1,25,000 divided by 2 lakh. Okay, the amount is 75,000 divided by 2 lakh. Okay, 0.375 or 37.5%. Move on. Required D. Okay, required D sales unit is equal to FC divided by SPPU minus BCPU minus PPU. Okay, now FC is 50,000, SPPU 20 minus 12 minus PPU is 4. Therefore 50,000 divided by 4 is equal to 12,500 maybe units. Okay, that's all. This section is completed. You can gather all informations from this video, and before I already uploaded this video, you can take information and solve your examination. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share to your